Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So from today onwards I would like to record a lecture series on digital image processing. In this lecture series I would like to cover the maximum concepts of DIP. At the same time I'm going to analyze all the concepts of DIP in MATLAB. So if you want such kind of more videos in the field of digital image processing, then just go to my YouTube channel and subscribe my channel. So today in first lecture I would like to cover a definition of digital image analysis in MATLAB. So the objective of today's lecture is difference between 1D signal and 2D signal. So in which I would like to cover what is the exact difference between one-dimensional signal and two-dimensional signal. At the same time I will explain examples of 1D and 2D signal. Then I will cover a definition of digital image, in which I would like to give the example why given image is called as a digital image. And at the end of the lecture I would like to analyze the 1D and 2D signal in MATLAB.
Hello guys, so today I would like to tell you something about types of signal based. So basically signals are classified into two categories, that is 1D signal and 2D signal. So basically D stands for dimension. So we define or represent 1D signal with the help of function f of x, where x is our independent variable and total number of independent variable is nothing but its dimension. So for example, if I take sine view, suppose if I take one sine view, the value here is 0. Suppose if I take 1, 2, 3 and 4, here I am having 1 and here I am having minus 1. Suppose I want to find out the value which is present at f of 0. So for f of 0 the value of the signal is 0. Then for f of 1 the value of the signal is, once again I am getting 0. And suppose I want to find out the value which is present at 1.5. So for f of 1.5 the value is minus 1. Means this is nothing but amplitude value and this is nothing but dimension of the signal. So in sine wave, in cosine wave, we are having time as a dimension. Now we are having second type of the signal, that is 2D signal. So basically 2D signal we can represent with the help of 2D function f of xy. So there are two independent variable x and y, and these two are the spatial coordinates. And example of 2D signal is nothing but image. Image we can consider as a example of 2D signal. So image is nothing but it's a matrix which consists of number of pixels. So if I take random matrix values, suppose if I take 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Now these are the some matrix value. Suppose I want to find out the coordinate value which is present at first row and first column, that is f of 1, 1. In this case I am getting value as for first row and for first column the value is 3. For f of 3, 3, so third row and for third column I am getting value as a 1, and for 2, 2, that is for second row and for second column I am getting value is equal to 1. It means that for extraction of single matrix value or single pixel value from image, I just want two variables, that is the value of row and value of column. Means we require the value of both coordinates, x spatial coordinate as well as y spatial coordinate. Means there are two independent variables in image or in matrix, that is x and y. So we call matrix or image as a 2D signal. Now we will move towards why we call given image as a digital image. means given image. Why we call given image as a digital image? So we represent image with the help of f of xy. When value of spatial coordinate of x is finite and discrete, and the value of spatial coordinate of y is also finite and discrete, and the intensity value which is present at f of xy is also, means the intensity at f of xy is also finite and discrete, then we call given image as a digital image. If the value of x, value of y, and the intensity which is present at f of xy, if these three quantities are finite and discrete, then we call given image as a digital image. So in next session we are going to see, or we are going to analyze image in a MATLAB. Thank you so much.
Okay, hello. So in this session we are going to see the analysis of 1D and 2D signal in MATLAB. So we have seen that 1D signal is nothing but it's a one-dimensional signal. I'm going to take one variable, that is a is equal to one array, that is 1, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 3. This array consists of total 6 elements. So I'm going to display this array. Now I just want to extract this element from array A. So I'm going to write f is equal to a into bracket 2. It means that the element which is present at the index 2 we have extracted, and that value is 3. Means this index 2 is considered as an independent variable, whereas this 3 we can call it as an amplitude. Means in this array we are having total 6 index 1, index 2, index 3, index 4, index 5 and index 6. Suppose I want to extract the value which is present at index 6, then we can write f of 6, we can write f is equal to a into bracket 6. So it will gives me answer equal to 3. Means we have extracted the element which is present at index 6. So this is all about 1D signal. We have seen we consider image as a 2D signal or matrix as a 2D signal. So I'm going to define one matrix here. A is equal to, so this is my 3 by 3 matrix. Now I just want to extract this middle element from matrix A. So I'm going to define f is equal to a into bracket 2 comma 2. Means for extracting single element from matrix we require 2 dimensions, that is spatial coordinate of x and spatial coordinate of y. So the value is 5. So we can call this value as an intensity value, and this value which is present at second row and second column, means value of x is equal to 2 and value of y is also equal to 2. Now we are going to see why we call given image as a digital image. So I'm going to read one image. A is equal to I am read into bracket into single inverted lena.bmp. I'm going to show this image by using imshow command. Imshow a. So this is my grayscale image. Now I am going to display the variable a. So basically this image variable consists of total 512 numbers of rows and 512 numbers of columns. Means the value of x is equal to 512 and the value of y is also equal to 512. Means both values are finite values. Both values are finite and discrete, and intensities which are present in this whole matrix, all these values are finite and discrete, so that we call this image as a digital image. Suppose this 95 I just want to extract. This value is present at the row 264, and the column 249. So I'm going to write f is equal to a into bracket 264 comma 249. If I enter, it will gives me answer equal to 95. Means for extracting single pixel value from image, we require both values, that is value of x and value of y, so that this image we can call as a 2D image, and value of special coordinate of x, special coordinate value of y, and the intensity value which is present at x and y, all three quantities are finite and discrete. That's why we call given image as a digital image. Thank you so much for listening my lecture. If you want such kind of content in upcoming lectures, then go to my channel, subscribe my channel, like my all the videos, and share my all the videos. Thank you so much for